So now let's see how we can work around with threshold effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply the threshold effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here, and I'm going to go around and scroll down over here until I find the stylized folder. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and scroll down, and you can see the threshold effect. So I'm going to go around and drag this in over here on my footage right here, and you can see the threshold right here. You can go around and choose the preset to be blue or dark, or you can go around and choose it to be green right here, and this is based upon the video, as you can see right here. So you only get to see two colors. You can select out light and red over here as well. Let's just go around over here onto, let's say, blue right here, and let's say I want to change out the color to, let's say, for example, a bit of green and blue. So I'm just going to go around, choose that, or I'm going to go around and make it, let's say, for example, a bit purple right here. So this is the layout that I have. I can go around over here and change around the threshold, as you can see right here, and you can go around and choose around certain threshold, as you can see. You can go around and choose the source over here to be the red color, the red channel, the green channel, or the blue channel right here. Or you can base it off the luminance right here, the brightness of the source as well, or the lightness of the source and the average of the source right here. And you can go around and change this around right here, the threshold, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and apply the threshold effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.